So we're going to talk about crypto. All right. And on my screen, you see um, $1,000 into a crypto project is 10x. Okay. That's $10,000. Okay. You guys see that right here. That is the point of the crypto group. I'm just going to say that off rip. Okay. Before we even go forward, the whole point of this is this, at least a 10x. Okay. Because everybody can get $1,000 from somewhere. Okay. Now, above that, you see this $100 a week on weed or anything you don't need is $400 a month. 400 times 12, $400 a month times 12 is 4,800. And then 4,800 times 10 years is $48,000. Now, everybody can do this. Okay. Everybody can just stop spending $100 on something they don't need and they can have $400 a month. Okay. Simple. Now, let's get to the crypto. Um, the picks that I have in the group start off at least a 10x to 100x. The potential, and I'm going to show previous examples of this, and I'm going to give you all the details on how you can join the group. But I just first want to give you an outline of what this is about. So you mean to tell me you can take something that's $1, turn it into 10. Now, if you stay and you watch the whole video, I'm going to show you a project that literally went from $1 to $10. Okay. Which is 10 times your money, which is $1,000 turned into 10. Now, why am I even doing this? Why can I just have this group to myself? There's a lot of artists, there's a lot of business people, a lot of people that don't understand crypto, that don't understand the life-changing opportunities that are in finding the next Netflix, finding the next Apple, finding the next Microsoft, but in this case, crypto, and it's a lot faster. I believe that you should give more than you should receive when it comes to information, even though you all will know how much it costs to get into the group shortly. But again, you already do this. You already been doing this. And if you've been doing this for 10 years, you've already done that. So I'm going to show you a little bit of value, and hopefully you will join us in the group. Now, $1,000 turns into $10,000 on the 10x game. You could turn that $10,000, 10x that to 100,000, or you can get lucky and turn that $1,000 to 50,000 or 100x to 100,000. I'm going to show you all some results right now. And I'm also going to show for the artists, an artist who took that budget that they got from this here and got into rap caviar and algorithmic playlists and on editorial playlists and got big results. So you can take the money from the crypto and put it into your music career. So let's get to that now. So on the screen, you guys see this robot from Tesla. This is a Tesla Optimus bot. And this is one of the projects that we are in right now. Okay. What's that project? The project is called Optimus AI. Right now, the market cap is worth $30 million. Don't look at the price. Price doesn't matter. Market cap matters. Okay. Now, if we was to go to a project named Dogecoin, okay, Dogecoin is worth $13 billion. All right. And Dogecoin is not connected to a robot. All right. Now, for Optimus, which is 30 million, if it 10x's, that is 300 million, which means that will become $3. If it 100x's, it would be $3 billion. Dogecoin is 13 billion. 13 billion, 3 billion. 13 billion, a Dogecoin that's not connected to anything. 3 billion, a crypto that's connected to Tesla's robot. Even 100x is not even the max of what Dogecoin is right now. Follow me. And it's not what Dogecoin was in 2021. Dogecoin market cap was $88 billion. 88 billion. So that is 87% down from where it was now. It's right here, guys, at 13 billion. It was 88 billion. Will it come back to that? I don't know. What I'm telling you guys is this is one of our picks. The market cap is only 30 million. This is why I said this is possible. Now I'm about to show you this dollar to 10. Just stay with me. Just stay with me. Okay. This project Optimus is a potential this. It could definitely do this for sure. This and this is a potential right now. All right. And we have many more in the group. So let's get to that example that I said I was going to promise you guys. Injective. For the people out there that don't know what this website is called CoinGecko. You can type in Injective. I was in Injective at the top of this year. This project was worth essentially $1. All right. This project has 40x'd because it went to $40. So you thought I was going to show you a project that went from $1 to 10. Yeah, it went to 10 right here in October. Of course. And then it went to 40x. And I'm still holding it right now. So if I put in $1,000, which I put in way more than that, I have over 40 grand right there. Now, this is an example of what happens in crypto. Now, the price to get into the group is $500. You can split that up two ways. You, your best friend, $250 each. Both of you guys can get in. $250 for you, $250 for your girlfriend. $250 for you, $250 for your boyfriend, or 5 friends. 500 will be $100 each. All 5 of you guys can get into the group. One-time payment. Doesn't have to be something that's super complicated. All right. I just want to share this information with people, and I have to put a value on it so you can take it seriously. I walk you through the projects. I give you all the game on what you need to do. If there's any changes, I update you guys on it. But this is what this is about. Turning essentially $1,000 into $10,000, and then taking that $10,000 and 10xing that to $100,000. It's possible. I'm showing you guys right here. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go to 1 month or 1 year. So Bitcoin at the beginning of the year was around $15,000. Let's just say. All right. So 15,000 to almost 45,000 is around 3x. Okay, around 3x, give or take. Some people say, "Oh man, Bitcoin is too expensive." You don't have to buy a single Bitcoin. You can buy $500 worth of it, and it'll show you that 1 Bitcoin is this price. But you don't have to do that. You can buy a piece of it. You can buy $1,000 worth, $100 worth of it. Okay, this is what I teach you guys in the group. Let's go to another project. FET over 1 year. You guys see that almost 600%. Why? Because in the beginning of the year, it was 9 cents. Okay. Now, where is it at now? It's almost 90 cents, which is almost what? Another 10x in a year. Okay. And even from here to here, it's really good gains. 20 cent to almost 80 cent is, I believe, 4x. Or is that, for 20, 40. Bring out the calculator. It's early in the morning. Give me a second. Yeah, 4x. So at the end of the day, guys, if you want to get involved with this and find these different projects, The Telegram group is available. We go over AI tokens. We go over how to trade if you're into trading using AI. Um, we have multimillionaires in the group already. We have people that are beginners. We have people that are intermediate. But the goal is to get into the group and learn and to get involved with these projects that we have. Okay. $500 is the entry price, one time payment. Again, you can split that up with your girl, your husband, or 5 friends, including your mate. $100 a piece. You get in there, you get access to the videos similar to this one of me breaking down the projects that you guys are in. And I just gave you all one of the projects. It's 10 projects right now that we have. This is one of them. So if you want to know the value of what I'm telling you, this is one of the projects that you don't know is happening right now. Okay. And it's worth 30 million. Dogecoin is worth 13 billion. This can 100x to just a measly 3 billion. That's 100x on your money. I'm giving you all that project for free. You could take it, not join the group if you want, but I would recommend that you do join the group, show some love, get more information on how to get this particular token. If anything changes and I don't like this project anymore, I will update you as well. And I will bring on new stuff. Okay. Because there's new stuff that drops every week in crypto. Okay. So that's the value, guys. Again, I missed one last thing I was going to talk about. Yes. So here's a client stats after 3xing on one of the projects. So we have ways to market you on editorial playlists as well as algorithmic playlists. So you could take your money and invest it into big marketing campaigns. So I'm actually in their Spotify for Artists app. All right. So it's a lot of stuff that you guys can do with the money that you have. You can put that into any other investment that you want. But you got to remember this here. You're already doing this, guys. You already been doing this. You already been doing that. You could have already done this. Already could have done this. Already could have done this. Okay. So don't sleep on this, guys. Don't sleep. You ain't got to do the whole 500. Like I said, you can split it up with your girl and your friends. All right. Reply back to me on Instagram. Let me know if you guys want to get into the group. Peace.